cleaning CCleaner. So I've just completed an installation of CCleaner, and a couple of the settings that it defaults to are not things that I want. You'll notice that there's an icon here in my toolbar for CCleaner, which implies that it actually installed something that's going to run every time on startup. I'm going to right-click on that and click on Options. So smart cleaning is something that I don't want to have. I don't want it to monitor what it's doing. I don't want it to monitor my system. Yes, it's not recommended. It will ensure that CCleaner is kept up to date. I'll take care of that myself, thank you very much. I don't need the additional monitoring that this provides. I don't want the software running. Important updates. I don't want any kind of updates to be shown or applied automatically. I'll take care of that myself. So you'll notice now that when we close CCleaner, the little icon that was here is now gone, and it's no longer part of what will start automatically when we start Windows.